Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, so now we're going to get into a different point of our podcast season, which is, so far we've been talking about posting and content, right? But now we're going to get into the interactions, which is very important as well, because with the interaction, you have the chance to actually study to understand who is following you and who are they and what interesting them, and the more you know, the better you are to actually positioning yourself for them, and also to create content that resonated with your followers or listeners. So that being said, I think the first thing you need to know about interactions is that you don't argue with people online. That's a number one rule. You know, remember, every classroom had a kid that ate toothpaste. That's probably who you are arguing with. So you have to avoid that, right? So we're going to talk about those people's what we call the haters, right? So today's episode is going to be the haters trap. Well, there are many good people online. That's true. But there are also bad apples, the haters. The truth is, those haters don't deserve 1 nanosecond of your precious attention. So why would you give them any? Just don't, because if you do...
You went full retard, man. Never go full retard.
Because they will steal your time and mood. They're going to affect your day if you get into that trap, which is basically... consists of teasing you to respond by leaving direct hateful comments on your posts or publishing no-sense public judgments about you and etc., right? Again, haters seek a reaction from people. And that's their game, Never give them one reaction. As your mission is to build listeners and not haters, when you encounter such revolting people online, and again, that is kind of getting common nowadays, I suggest you just delete the comment and block the person without second thoughts. I will explain more about that later, but for the time being, just move on. The problem isn't the aversion being throw at you, The problem is when people react to those haters again, they started a snowball of negativity, which is not good for anyone online or offline. If you add the fact that some of those haters can be even a bot or a machine, in other words, not even a real person, why are you gonna, spend your time talking to them anyway? So you want to avoid them and you want to cut it right away when you have a chance. And, don't let the discussion, don't get involved. Remember the snowball effect, right? So the final answer is when you see a hater online, just avoid and don't answer them. And because, you are better than them. That's the point, right? So...
I can't compete with you physically, and you're no match for my brains.
You're that smart.
Let me put it this way. Have you ever heard of Plato, Aristotle, Socrates?
Yes.
Morons.
Okay, so as an action, gotta hate comment on your post, take a long, deep, calming breath for 40 seconds maybe, and close your eyes and picture yourself very calm, press delete, block, and move on. That's it. So, as a food for thought for this week, there is always hope,
Come on, let's keep a little optimism.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.